Women's Ashes 2025. Australia Women vs England Women only test at Melbourne Cricket Ground, Melbourne. Australia Women won the toss, elected to field first. England Women first innings 170 runs all out. England team best scorer Natalia Scriber-Brown 51 runs. Australia team best bowling figure Alana King 4 wickets taken. Australia women first innings 440 runs all out. Australia team best scorer Annabel Sutherland 163 runs. Then England women best bowling figure Sophie Ecclestone 5 wickets taken. England team second innings 148 runs all out. England team best scorer Tammy Beaumont 47 runs. Then Australia team best bowling figure Alana King 5 wickets taken. Australia women won by an innings and 122 runs. Player of the match Annabel Sutherland. Then player of the series Alana King. Congratulations Australia women cricket team.